Welcome to the Nerve Health Institute. This is our EBOO Prime section, and EBOO stands for Extracorporeal Blood Oxygenation and Ozonation. I know those are big words, but I want you to think about today's planet. It's not getting any easier to live in. It's more and more toxic, filled with chemicals and pollutants and additives and preservatives. So much is getting into our blood. And so this actual treatment here, it takes the blood out of one of your arms and it runs it through this machine back here, and it filters it of all these different things: viruses, bacteria, parasites, fungus and yeast, heavy metals, environmental chemical toxins, microplastics, nanotoxins, metabolic waste products, inflammatory, immune triggers, spike proteins, circulatory blockage, and plaque. So it filters about 60% of all these things out of your blood, then it reoxygenates and ozonates it, and it puts it back in the other arm. So you can look at the trash coming out of your arm through a tube, going through that filtration device, and then all of a sudden this beautiful cranberry looking blood goes back in the other arm. So it's by far the fastest way to detox your body. And keep in mind, with EBOO, not all EBOOs are the same. This EBOO is direct from Malaysia. It's the original pioneers who started this procedure over 25 years ago, 26 years ago. And these guys have been to our clinic and trained us. In fact, this is our registered nurse, Sunday, here. She's been a nurse now for 25 years. She's our EBOO nurse. And she also has a medical doctor that's affiliated that oversees all this for us. So this procedure is one of, I can't even begin to tell you, I think we have one of 100 clinics in the country that are doing it right now. We are the only clinic currently in Louisiana, Arkansas, or Mississippi to my knowledge. So I'm so happy to have this available for you, and we look forward to helping you.